Emambiengia omurigereria bwensoko nukwegena kwane buna andonsia sore kwa bokirebuya nabo igonigo gendrete buya kurwa andonsia so gendrete gutubwatia moncho omurigerero chitariki ne 25 omutinyu 5 ritkoria alhamisi omoroberi bwetorobinyo chakirebe no moncho omurigereria tuguchigusanga naye kurbono ega chinsa inyene chidagika 15 igoro oika chinsa 5 ne mocho omugaso bweritkoria rero unabotambo omoroberi bwetorobinyo tokumurekera ali agendrete gokorekana aimeyense nabo igo isko yense nabo igo ase binyoro asoro moncho omurigereria ene kingo tobwatiore ase mitandao yonsi yekerero ensoko tv nabo igo nabo gotonyora ase nsemo ya YouTube nabo igo Facebook omoroberi igani gole live ento korekero gwa chirororo ene kingo nyarore gokoba guko like nabo igo go share elinki yiga erinde tonyore abantu abange tonyare ko batogo sema nya seba no moncho omurigereria ritkoria rero ense ya Kenya nige gochengera ritkoria katiba day bagoteba emiaka 15 nomo yaitire kurwa ense ya Kenya yanyorete ekatiba enya eyu yanyare koba kegochengerwa sige gokorerwa emeremo asebano iga omurai bwense ya Kenya William Samoei Ruto niga gendete kura omoyego yubo gochengera ritkorie katiba aiga aso mucho Nairobi ase nyumba ye musangrekano OKICC tigaturanyegende ye mase ye mutore gungana ria yega omurai bwense ariganirete aba Kenya anene chinga kechiga to yariganete gochia asobo chorio bonene gose ense ya Kenya gendete kweroberia gochigwake kuratiga turanyore nkwana yo murai bwense oyo gendete gukwana naba Kenya kurwa samagacho AKICC gaiga somocho Nairobi. Rigereria nkwira na torerinde tonyare ko bato kunyora enkwane ye asenchira ya bene kigima kurugabo asa magacho AKICC na komanyia abo engaki guserit korea rero ense ya Kenya nigegendrete guchengera emiaka 15 nomo kurwa echaka kotumia ekatiba eyu yachagete gukora emirimo omwaka 2010 wikabonoga ekatiba inero ya beirege gukora emirimo chingaki echiga abakenya bagendete kweroberia gochiwaki kura asobochori bo mwaka 2027 agochengera gwe katiba yo mwancho murigereria nigo gogocha chingaki abakenya nabo igo abegereri bo bwene bwamanya abantu banyareko bagwesoki bagoteba buna marange serikali nige kogenda mamincha neri chiko egotebe katiba nige bwate ase bagotebe katiba nige bwato bosibore bwo mu Kenya gokora kende yonsi korengana ni katiba marange banyareko bakwenyora sakongo chingaki bakonyora bagokora okurubikana ase bagoteba abanyanyimbo nigo bagutumia chinguru wetania ekerenga gendo bagoteba kebwenerete kurigererirwa mwancho murigereria yuna mona yanda mange kwiranira tore etasebona tigaturagendera ni turubini turagendera korora ari agendete gokorekana tugotigana nayo mwancho murigereria omwaziri bobochenu ase county ya Nyamira Donald Mogoyi oboririe abantu bene kibuna mbaba yarikirie gose banachire ebima yobobwenia yasha ase atebire buna ekero omonto abwate ebime ya obobwenia niga akonyora obobwenia ase enchera ya bene kigimachinga kianyorera gose chingaki abeire omorwaire nonya nabo niga atebire buna ekero omonto erekire ase omoroberi ya obobwenia tari konyara koba gagochandeka ekerara ase nyagitari ase bona arure okuboria gochia ase abanto bonsi anene abamenyi ba ekaunti ya Nyamira banyare koba bagwesokia ase obonge na kwerikia ase ebime ya obobwenia asha nari barachikonyora amatunda aye gose nari barachikonyora obobwenia ase enchera ya bene ekero barasi nyagitari ao emeyense
ronte tenkwanira mang'ana a social health authority gose SHA gose social health insurance abantu baitu ba Nyamira SHA gochia ase omonto orwarete nere gokonya sana ase ogwakana chibili chia nyagitari abange baito ntumaete ng'ekero okoende nyagitari ng'a referral yaito gose nyagitari niontu ya serikali kero obwate SHA tutekeiri gose tori gwakana besa noone shilingi SHA iga egotenenera kwarwarigu yagotenenera egitanda yagotenenera onye gokobarwa yagotenenera onye gokorerwa dialysis yagotenenera dialysis onye n'omwana ogo orwarete yatenenera omwana ogo onye n'omong'ina ogo gose omogaka ogo orwarete yamotenenera egere yamwakanera ebill lakini goakana chibill chiri goikaya buna omwanainchi obe registered na SHA na ekero kwabe registered na SHA naende onyare koba goakanere premium eri SHA etekeire goakanirwa ase kero omotienyi gose ase omwaka igo ase bono iga nokoboimisha ng'a na kobebereri ng'a ase ogwancha koino gaki akikisha ng'a nkoregister ore na SHA egere kero ogochia nyagitari gose ekero okane nyagitari ende yonsi onyare koba gokorwarigwa nari otachi koni binto gose nari otachi gwansa kobanga emechango ya okorwarigwa gose nari otachi gwansa gosabirira ng'a igotagete okonyu korwarigwa ase nyagitari chiaito SHA ngokorere gochakera korwa ase dispensary gochia health center ekero okorokonde dispensary health center egento gegetekeire nokoregister nkeringa nokwerika torakana lakini goika ase nyagitari enene ng'a referral chi sub county osti level 4 chinyite chia level 4 abu no egotakebu ng'a goikobe gwakanire gochia ase SHA egero omae koba covered naende moinyore ng'a nonye wiki eri SHA na nja introduce amana bakoro ambulance system no gwakikisha ng'ekero orwarete nabo gwaka esimi ambulance eri yacha yakwoi na SHA nere igwakanera nonye ambulance eyo igo konyora manufaa yonsi pia SHA ayebuna omwanainchi goika oregister naende goikwakanire ekero gwakanire onyora manufaa ayo abana bago onyora manufaa ayo efamilia yage enyora manufaa ayo ekero okogenda nyagitari
Moncho murigereria tokurwa ase kaunti ya Nyamira tokuika ase kaunti ya Nairobi ase omonogeri bwa serikali Giles Owino oyu onyarete koba gose onyarete korwa enkwana yaye aboritwerie igoro enkwana yaye ntang'ani kegima korwa achorwa koba omonogeri bwa serikali nigo anyare koba gakomochia eromberie kwamereria serikali anene ase atebire nige kobwatuka chiroboti choburimo gochia ase abakenya gukwana korwa ase amagacho a Harambe Annex igasomo Nairobi Owino nigatebire buna ense ya Kenya nigo ebwato bosibore bwoko baso morengo ndonsi bwa gisiasa korenda otebire buna ribara ororo nigo babonete kubwatia richiko nabo igo batige korandia chitarifa choburimo kubwatekana ne serikali chingaki echecho nigo atebire abakenya banyare ko baba kubwatera omorembe koboko asatebire nigo babonerete kwerenda na gwetanga kurachibura buruchi kwene kigwana mang'ana ya gisiasa asabo igaruro kubore gochiasa abasaye batige gutumika bube chingaki echiga ense yariganeti gochiasa obochorio bonene.
Also, a government in waiting, so they must tell us what they want to do. I saw the other day, again, Senator Sifuna saying that he does not have a manifesto. What he has is one term. The president must go. We know the president must go at one term, whether one term or two terms, he must go because that is what our constitution has provided. But what are you laying for these young people? Most of these guys in opposition, even if you tell them what is the difference between SHA and SHIF, they don't know. They refuse to read. They have blocked their minds. And these are people that unfortunately government through parliament is paying their insurances. So they don't feel what you feel at the end of the day. Life is temporary and we will go. People are here. People are in this town 100, 200 years ago. have gone, will also go. So we must be honest to ourselves as a country.
Must ask us hard questions, both government and opposition. Because this is a democracy. We must have government at every time. We must have opposition at every time. But you must ask us hard questions. We must collaborate all our sentiments with facts and with data. If we don't do that, then we are going to fail on our responsibility. We have had a situation in this country that when we call for peaceful demonstrations, as provided for in the Constitution, to demonstrate peaceably and unarmed, what happens? What do you see? People burning tires on the road. If truly the government is bad and the government is stopping you from peaceably demonstrating, then you can walk away.
Moncho murigererio tukurira na gari ayema asoroboti roribweri tanga na kumanyibuna ense ya Kenya nige gucengera rituko gose emyaka 15 no mokorwa echaka gutumia ekatiba eyu ya chagetigo mwako 2010 wekabono eganerere egendrete gutumika asabano tigaturagendera konyore nkwa nayo muraibo ense yu agendrete kubatoka guchia saba Kenya kurugeiga aso mucho Nairobi asamagacho KICC turagenda yemasemo turasanga no muraibo ense turagunararia ya
in shaping the future of their nation. Those demands were not an assault on democracy. Peaceful protest, criticism, and dissent are essential to democracy. Yet, those protests also presented our republic with a profound constitutional question. How do we protect the citizens' right to protest while at the same time fulfilling the state's obligation to preserve constitutional order? The Constitution itself provides the starting point. Article 37 protects the right of every person peaceably and unarmed to assemble, demonstrate, picket, and present petitions to public authorities. That protection must be real. No Kenyan should lose their life, liberty, or dignity merely for criticizing government, expressing an unpopular opinion, or participating in peaceful demonstration. I recognize the pain that remains from the events of that period. Some families lost loved ones. Serious allegations were made concerning unlawful arrests, enforced disappearances, and the excessive use of lethal force. We cannot honor the Constitution by looking away from such allegations. Every credible allegation of a human rights violation must be investigated independently, thoroughly, and transparently. Where wrongdoing is established, those responsible must be held accountable in accordance with the law. At the same time, defending the rights of peaceful protesters does not require us to excuse crime committed under the cover of protest. The Constitution protects peaceful and unarmed assembly. It does not protect arson, looting, lawlessness, violence, intimidation, attacks on citizens, or the destruction of public and private property. Sorry. We must therefore distinguish carefully between a citizen exercising a constitutional right and an individual committing criminal offenses. We must neither criminalize protest because of the actions of a few, nor legitimize criminal conduct merely because it occurs in the course of a protest. Rights and responsibilities are not enemies. Responsibility protects the conditions in which everyone's right can be enjoyed. The right to protest carries a responsibility to remain peaceful and unarmed. The duty to maintain order carries an obligation to respect life, dignity, and the law. The authority to govern carries a responsibility to listen. The authority and the freedom to disagree carries a responsibility to preserve the democratic institutions through which disagreement can be expressed and resolved. Government belongs to the people. Parliament belongs to the people. The courts belong to the people. The institutions of the republic belongs to the people. They may be criticized, challenged, and required to account, but they must not be destroyed because they are the instruments through which the people govern themselves. Our national task, therefore, is not to choose between liberty and order. It is to build an order founded on liberty and to exercise liberty in a manner that preserves the constitutional order. Let me repeat that. Our national task, therefore, is not to choose between liberty and order. It is to build an order founded on liberty and to exercise liberty in a manner that preserves the constitutional order. Ladies and gentlemen, the Constitution belongs to all of us. Its authority binds all of us. Its rights protects all of us. Its responsibilities call on all of us to account. Accountability cannot end with defending institutional territory, observing procedures, or publishing reports. Ultimately, we must account for outcomes, whether we have protected the sovereignty of the people, upheld human dignity, preserved constitutional order, used public resources responsibly, and brought the rights guaranteed by our Constitution within the reach of more citizens. 16 years ago, we gave ourselves a transformative Constitution. Our responsibility today is to fulfill its promise and build a democratic, prosperous, and transformed republic. That is the meaning of Katiba at 16. What we now say, Kenya yetu, wajibu wetu. I know there will be a robust conversation after this. I just thought of provoking us to have a conversation in this context as we celebrate our Constitution. And it is a moment for us to reflect collectively as a nation, not pointing fingers, not avoiding responsibility, not trying to excuse what is not right, but to honestly talk not at, but with each other. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Another round of applause for His Excellency.
Mwancho murigereria oyu no murai bwense William Ruto oyu uri kurwenkwana ya bene kuruga iga asomo cho Nairobi ase amagacho ye nyumba ye misangirikano iga asensemo ya KICC asanya rekobaga gukwanira ebintu ebinge igati yabo asatebire kero mu Kenya ni gare no bosibore bugucengera ekatibeyo aseboigo atebire na mange ari agendrete gwikiraniwa naboigo bono ase amaisonsi agendrete gukwanira igoro yobochori bore bose mwancho murigeto gutigana nayo ayo amona yanda mangora achiko yanyora samangana ito amaikiranu yeshinsa isano na ibere chinsa 10 na bayigense ya mokwagacha togotigana nayo mwancho murigeto kogendera no muroberi to bwetorobeni ase kuborigwa kwarure gucyasa barimu na bayigo ababwatani ase sector yobosombi kwene kiango ira gosenkorenda bare abana chinga kichiga abana bagendrete kwirana ase chiskuru uko no kubore kurwa segati yababasta we kanisa ya Obedience Pentecostal Church kurwa asensemo ya kibiriwe gutoka se county ya Nyamira asebono batebire mwana tayo bwenerete goserigwa asebono barukubure gucyasa barimu koremereria abayibori banyare ko babakoriye bese iyibarachiko babagwakanira abane school fees naboigo bari bakoro abosombi ase sector ya matatu naboigo chipika pigi babori banyare ko banyare kwenekia abana abungu ikabare skuru buya naboigo as banyare ko bakubarenda na kubaikia ase skuru ase babori banyare ko ba maiso na rieme basokano etachi kwenekiwa chinga kichiga abana bagenderete kwirana ase skuru aso murubiri bweta mu ya gatatu.
Njeno mu Bishop Charles Agwata Bondiga kurwa sekansa ya Obedience Pentecostal Church of God aiga Kenya tuli Nyamira kibiriga na kogenda nchiti ya andonse ase kansere yeito agento keri tanga ni tware go kwana kelinga abana baito babera amana itwe koigora bari chi school kumba chaka kuri Jumatatu kogenderera tware go sabanga kumuranche bari bako baira tusaba abantu ba pota tusaba abantu ba matatu lenda abana bamubaire asobuya na somogoko na somorembe abana baike chiskuru buya ekiagara kero kenego chaturtu igwa ngabana mba ruchinka mbaige chiskuru kusakera kenda abande ba batumeka senchereta gwenereti ya chakoba ngabana bambai mbacheti school bana watokubori kero yomo yokusekana sabana aba ngabana abakoko banyora tiga abana baito baike chiskuru buya naende barendwe natware gusaba abana mu baito oboremeru amboro abayibori kubako na gotema batome chibesa n'ibintu binde abana abakubako ende skuru anyora ugwanje kubesa abarimu n'abeburi nababutote mense moye itasi tokunyara egera abana aba nabwo bagochakoba abarayi bankyo tware gokwanira na amangana ya ara sensi itu ya Kenya abantu bache bagatoa banga obuguni gunisim teri kabira ya aba Kenya teri nchiragete ya abantu gete bakamanyikanite bakituta gwanje torento morembe na inde bono mapema ngakiyegere mapema mono tware kutiga abantu baito abana baito abana bachiete skuru bagasoma tubarigeri none chigas echibakunyara gokora oyo kunyara kubakonya abakonye nonye ne biasara kubwa kubatumeka senchere mbenga koko gende umukutano bachi osekerera abande bachi kurama abande egiye tari egento kerekiya kaki kumuranche baria nyesa konyire muratenene ase chikura omwako 2027 ancha timo tumeka abana baita basaibobe batumeka senchere ndonge bakonye baorokererie isati ganyare ko bakonye kerekero muntara igubo egere abana baito abana bankyo abana baraya banene batumeke buya kobwa kubachinya sore kubwa amarwa kubwa oborebi bwakerenchera abana aba basarika
mbia mono amarieta na inche no mubishop Charles Tendu ondo iwombori no togokora no mwakibishop buna kwanira mangana aya naro agendete gutusumbua sichinga kiechi igotororo buna ba pastor twensi tugusabira ensi yaito twasabena na bana baito omochando oyo moko banuringa ekera abana bono abana barisiko nabokonyora batoherete bari biya ekero bachakire kugenda twamakonyora mangana makongu nona sichinchera chiachari chinyinge chiaba ebinto byaba bikogosa abana na abana mbagwika chisukuru buya bono twari gusabanga gatogendereta asamasabo mono na twakobodi na serikali yaito amono na abarimu baito nabaro batwara amajyanda yo kulinda abana aba ebo kongumborororo buna bono uchumi yakongire abana baito bagoso esukuru na baseriwa bono ngaki abana barawe bagoseriwa chinga gichonsi mbaje kwikera masoma yabo akina bo twari kubulinga andonsi esimule igo twari kubwatira namo twensi abasa baito mabasa sabo ekiagera obokongu bwabeire bono amangana munayo naratogosire asense yaito ya Kenya ebinteka birebe nigo bikoba abantu bande buna batito bagatiga obonyasaye bakaira nasi chinyasole bakaira nasi chikupeli nebinto binde byose birigo sali obongo bwabo bona abantu abaonjoka niremitu yabo mbali kodigereria aroyo ngina arono mwana mwabo bona ebinto biro ebinge mono sana babire byobosali obonene na baba to bagotenga gunis ayengese no muntu obwata amanyika buna mwanya abantu era abana ayo guchikongentwa nayo guchikoraswa nayo guchikoitwa norore buya naye tamakuru asa mangana yo ekiagerense ito likomenya pi nkuru orororo nayo chali abantu bande babwata amanyika buna yawo
encha samarita ngorgo Grace Nyaboke omugako nakoro guchochi ase kana se obedience ngono mo director wabangina encha semo yana yonargo sabanga ase ngencho yichinga kibunechi abana bagore chi school abana batu akobalera ase chinchira chionsi lakini kiekire bagore chi school bonege ntonkorera neke abana baikire school batumire boka kurunka bachire bauriru base batumuna ande fees back home ano konyora abana baito bakolo itachipare bani kinyaruka kwanyora nonye omwana otabwata mbiranga libinde abantu bataboiri para bairire like nao nabona igwete na igubobekera nkorera bari kinyaruka bakwirina para goetanga bachire school bairanirwe am appealing to parents abaibori please tigatoimukia abana baito tokoye bakachi school tokwana na abarimu in case bagotwanchira abana babere school kibaranga turane back na abana baito ekiagara most arulenga chinga kicha wana kuro iskuru ali abana baitu nyaruka bako irubasira buna bona kwigwere dimambinga abana na irete sukuru akasari wanga tegetika we are crying ekiagara chinga kicha abire chinkongu abaiboli our responsibility buna abaiboli enare go sabanga bono buna abangi na abana into bwate mono to bange na abana baitu buna abana baba ke in fact bairirwe ebisange binge byabeira mwana ago itwa iruoka ruwe bintaka ruitwa kento ketabwende tia sobo gimo we are praying no nyina sense ito ya Kenya ngano nyene kene tigare ko beke ne kiagara twari isemo chonsi bakonyi bonde tubo yamariko gago tebanga kero boroso bwanyagariwe abakonyi bote ngayiboraru igoboraru asinyasaye no kubwatira nali nganeri aba Kristo aba pastor banyasaye na ino abari ba mindo nyanja nyasaye tigaba ichinga gichingiya tobwatira ne tolera asingencho ya Kenya ekiagara gento twakurunga naki rangeri nyasaye tanganda ngeri etabya yere maya 33:3 kimora ingiwe naende kinna inche kimora nangira so we kwake kwaino nimba igwe nande mbabweni mbwene sione ya Kenya
Mwancho murigereria tugutigara yu ayabwatikaine na abana nigo omorugi bw'umurai bwense mama Rachel Ruto nere achakiri omuruberio ye uyu asagukwanira igoro ya amang'anari atatu arokogosereria guchia somwana omunyaruka gukwana kurwa ase county ya Homa Bay mama Ruto gose mama Rachel nigatebire omwana omunyaruka marange nigakonyoro kogosereria keraikire ase stage gabamanyikante buna ya adolescence asatebire kero kende nigo bakonyora okwambukirwa nebinyinyi biburwire bw'umunyamoreo nabo igatebire nigo bakwenyora gose bagutachirwa inse nabo igo asatebire nigo bakwenyora omuchando kubwatekana n'ekisegi chegenka eki kimanyikanite buna gender based violence gukwana kurwa asense meyo Ruto mama Rachel Ruto nigatebire gose obekirete neni emeroberio eyekeganja kya gose omuroberia bwate erikwenekia abana abanyarukati bari gukikonyora omuchando yo ase amatukare bosyo.
We cannot keep asking what is wrong with our children. We must ask, what are we as adults doing to protect them? Because a child who is vulnerable to exploitation does not need our judgment. They need protection. A young person who is afraid to seek help does not need shame. They need a safe place to return. And a girl whose education is at risk does not need us to tell her that she has failed. She needs someone willing to fight for her future. This is why the fight against the triple threat, HIV, adolescent pregnancy, and sexual and gender-based violence must be treated with the urgency it deserves. It is why I launched the national campaign to end the triple threat under Kenya's commitment plan to end the triple threat 2023-2030 in partnership with the Organization of African First Ladies for Development, or AFLAD. We began in Meru and Narok, and following the progress made there, expanded the second phase to Homa Bay, Samburu, West Pokot, and Uasin Gishu. Within 6 months, more than 220 health facilities across the 4 counties had joined the initiative, and more than 200 healthcare providers had been trained to provide adolescent-friendly services. This is now a national priority because our ambition must be clear: to end the triple threat by 2027. But let us be clear, a campaign alone will not protect our children. People will. A teacher who notices, a parent who listens, a health worker who welcomes a teenager without judgment, a chief who refuses to look away, a community that chooses to protect a child rather than protect a perpetrator, and a young person who checks on a friend. That is how change happens. To our young people, stay in school, protect your dreams, and when something is wrong, speak. Speak to a parent, a teacher, a health worker, someone you trust. Do not allow anyone to convince you that your future is the price you must pay for money, acceptance, or affection. Your body is yours, your future is yours, and your dreams are worth protecting.
First Lady, when you walk to each and every facility and a child is bearing a child, they are 12 years old, they are 13 years old, and you find them without missing. Even if today we said with you, let us walk to 3 of our facilities, maternity wings, I can tell you without fear of contradiction that we will find children having children. And therefore, it is a very, very heavy burden. But the picture is not gloomy like that, because a lot of effort that you have made, that these stakeholders have made, that we have made as a county government, are actually bearing fruit. I was just looking at the numbers that we had in 2022. When we came, there were 14,000 teenage pregnancies here every year. Right now, we are at 7,000. We have cut it by half. It is still not what we want, but it means there is progress. The HIV numbers have been mentioned here by Bosire. The SGBV numbers, and I also want to thank our provincial administration, because they have become firmer and firmer on these SGBV cases. They are not taking it lightly, and now people know that you can actually go to jail. Our judiciary are jailing people for SGBV cases. There is a big difference between a mentored girl and an unmentored girl. In fact, we were asking the girls, what do you think is the problem? They said, the problem is we are growing like weeds. Nobody is tending to us. Our parents are too busy. They are going in the morning, they are going to the market. At 5 o'clock, they have already left. On Saturday when we are here, they are going to church. After church, they are doing another chama there of the church. They are taking care of the pastors and the priests and everybody. Us, we are growing like weeds in the bush. And whenever you look at girls who have come to a program like this, and you compare them to girls in the villages who have not gotten the mentorship, the difference is like day and night. A mentored girl is empowered. A mentored child is strong. They are focused. They know where they are going. And it is sometimes just by one word that you say that somebody is going to live here and their lives are going to change.
This very county that we stand in today, if you came here or barely 2-3 decades ago, almost 1 out of every 3 people you met on the streets was living with the HIV virus. That has been reduced to about 15%. Homa Bay County and the other counties of the Lake region, which were high burden before, are a beacon of hope on how we can end this epidemic. So there are lessons we have learned from this county, and that is why we really appreciate your deliberate intention to support Our Excellency the Governor and work with her towards ending this epidemic in Homa Bay County. The issue that brings us today, despite that progress we have made, let me just give you a statistic. In the year 2005, in this country, we had 110,000 AIDS-related deaths. In the year 2005, 110,000. In the year 2025, Your Excellency, we had 19,000 AIDS-related deaths, a reduction of almost 500-600%. In the same year 2005, in this country, Your Excellency, we had 94,000 new HIV infections. In the year 2025, we had 13,936 new HIV infections. Again, drastic reduction. And some of the most significant reduction has been during the era of the current government. In the year 2022, we had 22,154 new HIV infections. In the year 2025, as I've said, we had 13,936. That has been one of the most drastic reductions in the HIV infections in this country. And what we are saying as we march towards 2030, is that you cannot keep on mopping the floor while the tap is open. That is why ending the tap of new HIV infections matters a lot. Unfortunately, Your Excellency, out of the 13,936 new infections that occurred in the year 2025, 10,500 were among those aged 15 and above.
And we want to ensure that all mothers attend antenatal clinics. We are aiming at a figure of 90%. Right now, the country is at 58%. And when we come to this kind of convenings, Your Excellency, we are also taking advantage of your big voice to ensure that we get the message to all communities that we need to move from 58% to 90% of all the pregnant women to go to clinics, because when they go to clinics, then we can identify problems early. We can identify problems of anemia early. We can identify problems of the complications like blood pressure early, so that we end our deaths during pregnancy, and particularly during childbirth. And this is something that we are working very closely with all stakeholders. I can see the Ngaos here, and also the community health promoters, and to ensure that everyone in society treats pregnant women like queens, that we take care of them, but more importantly, that we take them to clinics. And we are aiming for 4 clinics. Here in Homa Bay, the number is at 61%, and that is better than the national average. And we want to thank Her Excellency the Governor, because this has really improved in the last 4 years from 55% to 61%. And thank you, Governor, for that progress. But that progress means that we can do more to get to the 90% that we are aiming at. Your Excellency, we are also really keen to ensure that we get what we call skilled birth attendants. Skilled birth attendants means that every woman must be attended by a healthcare worker who is properly trained. We have done very well as a country. We are actually at 89%. And that means that our mothers who go to facilities have access to a skilled healthcare worker who is tooled. And here in Homa Bay, we are at 91%. So you again, Excellency Governor, you've done very well at the skilled birth attendants.
tumpongeze kwa makofi.
Bewa no murigereria tukurwa se county ya Homa Bay nigo omwaziri bw'oburemi netugo oyo kurukwa gosemi mutaikagwe anyariko baga kubeka teneni obututukano bugenderete kwenekigwa ase sekta y'oburemi bw'omochere gukwana kurwa ase ensemo ya Malindi ese county ya Kilifi abori tkurigoro nigo akwaneire gosokwaneire amabori ayo agenderete kuborigwa nase kinse ya Kenya ikuira omochere ase chinse cheisiko nabo igo yanyariko bage kugora na ndo mochero ikurwa ase chinse chichesiko nigatebire buna omochere bwense ya Kenya nigo bwate ebese gose nigo koini gwa chibese chire igora ase chinse cheisiko agenta tebire buna serikali nigo yarorire mbuye nyare ko bagekoni omochere yase ebirengo biregoro nabo igo enyare ko bagekoreto omochere imeyense ase chibese chirense
without intelligence information. So it's something I pick. Now, Chair, the other issue is on budget. Do we have budget? Where? Na hawa wadudu nataka we required very safe products. That product was tea support was given to farmers. And they applied their eggs by the canal. They climbed both leaves. And when they left,
we are the ones to guide them in that process. So because when you say
it was not working. So when they said the dam was not working, we went there now. All the produce died. Now the question is one product. And Chair, this is now fine. Not to us,
Obuto is here. Under RCPP, which is the program we are
give a different solution that will have rapid million supporting only 60 staff covering the whole country. These are mchele ikiwa at seedling stage.
There are many countries that both import and export. Generally what would happen is that when you are making a very good product in your country, for example, our Bishori rice is considered as a premier brand. So what would happen regularly is that the demand for your rice in certain markets can be high. So you can export part of that rice to another country and then you buy, the rice from other countries. Now in Kenya, for example, we only produce about 20% of our rice consumption. So we will import rice anyway. But if there is a specific, unique market that requires or demands our Kenyan rice, we have no problem exporting it there because you replace it with the exports. Now the advantage being that the rice that we are exporting is fetching very high premium prices, and the rice that we are importing is not expensive. So we net we are at an advantage if we can export even more. We would have imported loads of sugar. We are not importing much sugar. We would have imported a lot more rice than we are because we have increased the production of rice. So the subsidies that we give also save very, very valuable that does not leave the country, not to mention the jobs that we create.
Tutaona jinsi serikali itaweka fedha katika idara husika kununua mpunga kutoka kwa wakulima wa mashinani, ili tunapomaliza mpunga huo serikali itakuwa imekadiria kujua ni kiasi kipi cha mpunga ambao lazima tuagize kutoka nje ili kumudu mahitaji ya wakulima. Jambo lingine ambalo tumejadili ni madawa ya kupambana na kwekwe na vile vile kupambana na wadudu. Jinsi mnafahamu, lazima kuwe na mustakabali mwema kati ya serikali za kaunti wanavyopeana vyeti vya wanabiashara hawa na vile vile serikali kuu ambayo huwapa idhini wale wanaouza madawa na vile vile kuwakubali madaktari hao kufanya kazi. Kuna madawa ambayo serikali ilitoa ilani kwamba hayapaswi kuuzwa katika nchi ya Kenya, na sasa sisi tunashinikiza kwamba kuwe na mustakabali mwema kati ya serikali ya Nairobi na serikali gatuzi ili wakulima wetu waweze kununua madawa ambayo yanastahili, ambayo hayana athari katika maisha ya mkulima na maisha ya mlaji ama maisha ya wanyama tunaofuga, ili vizazi vyetu visije kupata ugonjwa wa kansa.
Umoncho murigereria kurwa asoroboti urirwo mochere tukuragendo mutimo komokego tukwirana ngoso turasensemo ya kabiri yo muruberiri tkuria rereko tuguchikomurekera ebintu biri abasaye babonete kurigereria chinga kibago chora chikose kibago chikokora anene chinga kichiga abasaye bagenderete kosoa Asich University na wego college ao imeyense tochiare kwirana nde asege keke kerbosyo chinga kyomogenitu anyareko bagawikaga igase studio ayo amonaya ndamange tosuka.
Eye Nensoko TV Uboroso Bumugusi Magega ya televisioni Nsoko wikasero yao kwa nyori baga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuralia gukwenyulia ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono nabokonyori baga lyabene liyokuralia asegete senike asoliguri liyakibusani tolikere gose twakere simigwitire namba yaito yobonchuria 0788666662. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ugaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721151500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri uguchachirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene chinga kichonsi ebenga kieliberera gosenga kiyobokendu tawe chanika Autobat Kenya Limited no tulegigiga asengichao nigo tokorosia na koni chibetri uratumia chinga kichonsi chibetri uratumie asegari enke ebasi no nyaneli kurukuru.
Tutakupitia pale kwa gari yako, tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka na battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof. Kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss. Kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wa kujamstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Rais omwancho murigereri niga ruete asense mo ya bosongo orogongo rwa Afrika agatara agasoa asense ya Kenya agasoa ase county bere chia Gusii Kisii na Nyamira na nene monese bitunu biri twanchete korendo mu gusita chete gotegera rororo obero gotara asense nkima na rero tugotore asense mo ya pipeline omwancho murigereri aso mu Gusii anyare ko bagasoa na gochaka kwerigeria asense ya bene korwa iga pipeline omwochi o Nairobi beto koletra emegano ende yonsi iliyo kolekana etana ino mu Gusii na nene monese ya Kenya eye ne Ensoko TV elietaliane ni Innocent Onyango.
Mwancho murigereria no kwegena kwana na ndeni gore meyo moroberi buna butambe moroberi bwetorobine ritkolia halamisi twasoire ase ensemo ya kabere na eyo mwerio aso moroberi yiga ritkolia rero mwancho murigereria tugochikomorekera chinga kichiga abasai bagendrete kuyarigani goswachi university au nabo yiga bande nigo bagendrete goswase chi college na ndemba roro batachi goswaro mwancho murigereria na kigeko gero mogeni itori ritkolia rero atutarere gochagiga se studio ende tonyare ko batogo sema ni imbintu kiebiga ayo moibori nabo iga ayo musaye otorigeretia semambia bono obwenete kurigereria chinga kyogochora ekosieri ogochiko bako gokora ayo amona yanda omwancho murigereto chare mbia mono sana Jeremiah sogoto tarira gochagaiga iboganeria okwani murigereria bwa Ensoko batebi na kyokorokwa na ende ni kyogokora
mbia mono muralia asoko ngarigania ase station ye ya Ensoko TV nagokire goikaiga ase ogochakera amarie tane igonguru kwa Jeremiah Nyaega Tirimba igonguru ensemo ya Masimba gose Nyaribari Masaba ino mu Gusii igo seritukeria rero igwata etwa ugatorigereri igoro ya obochori bwechikosi nche ase emeremeri ngokora igonde ninjo mo chairman wekiombe gekoro ku Gusii United Foundation Gusii United Foundation ige kurigeria nene koleta abagusiam yani buna togote bangobo mu bwa mwanyagitinge United nga ogo chamu egere korora nga akitogo semania nga kitogo konyana nga kitogo chikogendera koba amo nabagusii
mbia mono sana Jeremiah mbia mono mwancho murigereri kwa mwigure uyu akuru kwa Jeremiah Nyaega uyu unyare ko baga gukwana ali asa gutuka kero togo chake ya masemo Jeremiah inkyo kagerete nga omusae abwanerete kokora okero botote bakure no ni school form 4 ninki yogocha asobongo bunayo mwiburi no musae
anene egente kenene kegocha litangani kegocha keraso mwiburi akunya kwebori ngomwana oyone nginta getakore
abono omwibori okwebori gose no mwana
igai gabone ngusanano nero lakini anene buno mwibori na bwate ogochangi okonene nganki omwana oyategetabe lakini no mwana nere nabwate okugani kwae egekwera nabo konyoro mwibori atagetenga omwana oyo nare gocha koba abo munyagitari nabo nare kogoka lakini omwana oyo konyora nera agoteba nga yaya nje ntagete nje ko moteri toro chinge ngusana nero egara kurigeri nga bono une society yetu ose buno mugusi chinga kichinyinge gotwa manyete nga ekero monto oso mwana akorire skulu ekero monto goteba nga bono mwana oye obeire successful ochori no rio mwana goteba nga kiga achorwa chiko munyagitari achiko mwalimu achiko bende kurende pilot usentera baye chindege yani chigashiria amanyete nga karoma te bamanyete ngende kyari ko permanent and pension nga yani buna gwako le skulu ga olikwe okoro ochaka kuri musara lakini bone ibintu bya change iyo bone kare ibintu bya change bona saba sae na bayibuli engusanano ya chakire koboro lakini rende goikabonsi babwatera namo bamanyare goikerania ekirenga kerio mwana yatete gokoraki ataitu kuchikoba
Biamon, what should a young person bono buno musayo yokorire skuru ningyabonete kurigereria atarangya gotebanga inche bono tigangende nchikoba motere
gente kenene omuntu abwente kurigereria ogwancha kwae koru enkoro yane yaye bunanche ko advice ya abasaye inki kerioroche omoyo okoreteki otagete gokora egere tu basa gotebu koreke arafu okore na ndo cha konyora ngaki wachakire goitia ngaki ngikiagerete ngachikokoreke goso moibuli acha koboli ngaki ngikiagerete ngatayo mwana akoreke akore kosie igo bono okwancha kuri kwae okweru kuruime yae na kugogo tuara the first stage yani ese okonyoranga omwana oyo goso musawe ere ebirenge libya ebire ngaki je nabambo murundia omoiboli na atakege ntugete omwana oyo nabago kora lakini omoyo etari contented yani egento keria acho ngaki keramo isaneki na ende most yokonyoranga bataraji gosoase chisabu awao yani peer pressure okonyoranga kero omwana oyo atagete gokora 1 2 tiga kerume yae ai karansa ategerere amanya gochora ngaki ekena kindoche kirangonye asobugima bwa busyoge ko arabona kirachorire kosieria nera amanyete ngaki nera gochiko basobugima bwa bwenzi
abasenge jogatebere ngo mwana ngakira gwa kore nabo gwikaranso tegerere erindo maye korange kosi igana rotagete should I as a young person bono iga choose a career based on a talent yane a passion nimbate gochise career go sono munyagitari ntaite ko nimbate talent yako munyagitari gose passion kimbate gochiga gose nasengenjo yenyibo gose musharo munyagitari bakonyora
egento kiengencho omuntu tarengeringa eniberia gochikonyora ege ko rabono isukurigereria ningorete psychology na counseling na bokonyoranga omuntu otebirwo korireke esengenjo yenibo lakini taisa negeti nabo konyoranga ande no moralia abago cha aro morali kabisa ko moralia ko paka abantu bata bangaki ya yo liere kerago so studio nere buyeka lakini ere bunago soka gochisi kokorwa arure gesierikeria ebirenge libya munaki ya haya kanga yona nge ko benasi bono gabu no konyoranga ki omuntu tabaza ko chore gento esingenje chibesa lakini achore kosi esingenje amete ngaki ninchi koba contented ese egente kenachora yes
aba twakwanire igoro nona abaibori na barabumba bwate ese yekerabuna abana baiga bakogendera kwenda chikosi namona gato kwana ndeshwa baibori mbaro batari kwana nabana baba ese kogero mwarimu muibori agotebi umwana ntagetobe obe mwarimu obo munyagitari china chikosi abaibori bamanyetera kina karo mwana go chagari ko mutenga nene chikosi chiga choko baba sani nchirororo muibori achiko mutaiba no wakwabere bali moende myakene college go se university ko somero botere abo asa parents influence which asabana na kyo eruranye kwanira no muibori na ende bono karabike korto kyo muibori
enche no muibori mbwata abana igo na bongo soa
na bona no moibori
qualify no moibori egento nkiringa ki as much as togotaka omwana akore a particular course tigatorore ngaki health wise number 1 ngaki gego chikomo affect ngochia erenanje tegenteke ekoranyira bondanje ko munyaktari lakini omwana onetaka tagetiki igendo ngelinga ki to abana aba the support they need ntutobe the support system ya bana yani ngani ntu amanyinga aliago tuoma ekero mwana gokoraki erekera kunyago gosoma kiriago chikosoma egero nyaka ya kagota babono muneki wataba omusani artists omoibori amoe the best support egere kerago chigokora abe is top notch omaete bone gento twaikire ense yabono there is a lot of competition after abantu ba graduate and there is a lot of unemployment but if you do what you do and you do it to the best abantu mete bagochora the top cream number 1 number 2 number 3 bali bayigoro ekero okorete kwerende ekero perform it to the best na bokonyora ngaki ahe nonyine kerega asie kero gukora abokuri kubwango oise korige liboniga abana mbale bako barikirwe batara graduate yani bale school mbono bako graduate lakini already they are earning a living the reason being a course yeri bakorete they did it to the best of their knowledge and now they are able to companies are looking for such talent so if you are able to nurture that talent o support yo mwana oyo uno moibori to nyagota yabanga ya enjina atagetowe kwerendegete ahe montaina ki omwana one ntagete what you have decided to do I'm going to support you so that you attain that maximum outcome ekero moibori ora akore yo no konyo mwana
nkwana nerega bugwa kwanire nga nkonyorore gose kera abana bare university gose chi college kwanyora abana banyorire gasi ekogera ekwerende chikusiba kore chibwate demand bona kinanderia yangira se ribori nataite kukubori gabo kera basaya baiga bono bakurigi chikoze chiri bago chikorigia should they choose those ni chikosi ejo depending the current job market singe njontro koigo una karo koigo abande bagotabanga onye no bwari mu abantu ba graduate riga batanya koliko abarari babeira abange sana so inkozi kiyere bwate chiro rende ekero mwana ataite kogendera ari shwa nikienda hii nkonyora ndegas
igento kende tuachaka tuatabanga tuachaka tene kurenderinga ekero gukora urikwe akoreki tigo mwana achole course based on I normally say ebinto bibere course yekero urakore ese gotoka ngatoranyore mirimo abukwerika igese binte bibere ngaki chikosi njire chire demanding lakini nabo gokoraki nabo gokore gento uranyale ko ana living from unaboniga asoburaria ntogote batuensi ntocho isana ensoko TV
sure
lakini rende everybody because he's among the best ensoko is among the best asaba kusi na bago nyokotabanga ki iga alia na engineer ko nyori bagana bonare ngeko endanya ko rali kuru ensoko lakini rende at the same time there are opportunities out there omonto kolete media na ba the same company ko nyora ki chibwate media and publication ogende bono chikambani echi chinene chibwate njira chikwe manyekani igo bono muntu togotabanga ki esaguri nasoma mangana yoboraria tigangende njengi karanse studio yoka abantu bali ko be make nonye foi so bas na ende banya baka no chipesa igo bono egento keri muntu agokora na bako a living from that
Mbia mono ekero togendete gukwanira gabo twara kwanire abaibori influence babwate guchiasa abana nabagona abana ekero konyora babwato mungso gokore kusigete ntora kwanira chi grade chiga banywete form 4 konyora mwana natagete ko bumunyagitari no maito munyagitari te are sharp minds grading kero rutakere gutwara pilots yekire bana bumbanyore ti grade ekyo mbose mekyora ruchiasa abana abo bonoiga sai mbari gochikwanda munyagitari gosekero kende bano bekiru ase category ya bari
egento ndaborie anene uchiase serikali yetu abana aba onye ka tagite category gete tote uno bunyagitari obu nyagitari nebwate chi sector awao na kolire mirimo nyagitari you need understand it abantu nabokolo bantu bari nyagitari kiro mondo tabango uno munyagitari no munyagitari ntobwate no nyina abanyagitari ba maino dental technologists and technicians ntobwate nurses ntobwate bali bagokonya as operation perioperative assistants ababangina mbaroro iyo bone nyagitari eyo nyo mwana obwate eganga yangaki nataka nchikoba umunyagitari abagokoraki still there is a wide range of course is umwana yarakoreki ara qualify kogera otaye ngumwana oyo umuntu umubekira umwarimu agende gukora ubwarimu ekwerende ayete iyo passion ayete iyo unless rende agenda ajikosoma ubwarimu ajikosoma abanyagitari which is still another challenge lakini rende government nebwate ekwerende they normally have a window period ekero mwana abekirwe course eri atatageti akonyara go change ese course eri akontaki atagete abaidara agende nonyene private agenda asome faculty ekora amabaga ali arase school je serikali chigose ne university ne colleges abara abamake lakini ende chi kwerende chinde nchiroro chikoba an alternative yes
tinda manyana ende engana nerororo na akonyoro mwana kwa mubekire gose ne university riri aisomire agenderete ikirano no mwako kabiro gatatu imuko gotebinga tigankore gasi bono ndoche ne inko west inde chinga kichinyinge kogendera gosoma kero kenda basani bae barabu aba bari barenge na barabu form 4 wa walienda bakachaka gokore gasi aroche nga bagendereire bamutigire ekerenge bune kikero nekiayura kyando buno moibore tutebo mwana oikire form no etabune ni iatire oimokira bono tiga agote bono tiga nkore gasi ribaga ngonya kwa school na ndenche kurikie gasi
bono gento kengencho a career is very important kogera aise gotigera gati iganga buno muntu takiete school kogera njira teyo ragendo mwaka oyo umwaka kabere umwaka gatatu oje gwatikeri gusino mwaka oyo na hende still oranyole ngaki umwaka oyi abugase gwatigera na hendo so korore ngaki aliya se kwara abamino bare ukageteri bagandi roro na ndo koreki onyole ndiyo iyo bona at the end of the day baba tabenge nyongombo ngaye watekera ngesieri iyo mo ngwa etra advice abana ngaki mo basa gwate chinyongo cheino kero mo isire goika nyomba iyo bono montare mererie akore kosi area egere na bagocha at a later time na begocha komokora
babuke tukunya gukwanira pia nini kurwase aba pia influence kurwasa abasani totebe baba nabaiga nakibona basaya baiga baranyare ko bagwe baitange erine bachikwenda choosing chiko chiri bataganeti toranga lineti okoroboraria nanje tigambo moraria to kumbe tumaete ngoborario boiga mbobwate bintu mari utachikonyara na sengencho no bantu barororo no gukwana iga bosibwe kamera akuriga mora lakini yare yani jua naona Jeremiah orina chete kosio boraria na nje mama tigambo morari na kiora kwenda abana munabo
anene togo chitwate bya bantu bono bune organization yaito ya Gusii United gochitore twatwara career guidance and counseling so gochitore twomerana nabasae igo bona kero gose aba igure ngaki moibori igure ekwerende musangiriro konore abana baguchiko ba advised bunanga kibaguchiko chora chikosi bose bono buna inuboniga troje ekwerende mubwate ekwerende yiga unatokonya gukwana iga nabo tokorwa advice asa abana aba egere bategerere baligereri ngaki what is going on in the current world ngai ebinto birochie bono muna bono troje ebinto binde bono totause digital. We are moving to the digital world. We are in the digital world, but we are still advancing. There is a lot of channels enjiro mwana yaranyole information igoro yechikosi echi egere tabase kotebanga esaguri linet yagenda oboraria passion ya linet ne oboraria lakini nje passion yana yarenge ngaki nje njiko mwenyegitari gose nurse gose hospital ya mabagana mange igobono naboko bwati linet linet yekera ago ikaria esabali aya gawo ake kona aito gotumera igobono to advising aki omwana atwale self confidence that egento keringo kora kerikero moyone na kiengenjo kogera nje nabo muntu ratwale riogi lakini tokonyara gotenna busibwe kamera buna bwate eriogi eririao na borabe buna toreiga tobwate timu endali ekonya go make sure ngaki amariogi mbiare abaya balance ba make sure omotegererio okoriki so murigererio bwensoko TV na igwete ngitogendete gukwana igobono ebintu nebinge bitanyare gokoreka iyo muntu tabacha gotebanga ki esagurio yachore kosie nanje tigamubwa oso moibori ororiro mwana onyagete ochorireke urangeri ugose skuru gete nero teba no mwana one nera koreke ya mutunya
skuru inera guche nyeni University of Nairobi nera guche ekero togendete gukwanira gabu kwa kero kende ngonyorore abana riri bachorire chikosi bono igande sho abana bare very excited bachorire chikosi university banyorira marube mbagenderete go join university na to gukwana baigo baikarire basomere baikire none emyaka ebere yaya chetalie nata ibageri na kioro chendiro rori go chenje koze
still time even nonyene university chibwate normally mwaka uri mutangani onye kwarire kwerendeye teri buna bwatagete nabo bakwa room for adjustment lakini rende it is normally egotakerubuya wachorege ntu kwakora limu to basago ikario chaka koraki
ochake gobatisha
lakini rende na watu naki consultation nawe yabwene tekorwe mapema lakini rende saguri chinga kichyo ogochora chiaikire abana bakogenda college na bagwikano ne college chiria still nabo bako advised onye college iri agenda ekosi yikerororo they still can change before they go far.
Mbia mono kigimo mwancho murigereria aigo togendete gukwanira ebintu biri gose aria omusaya bonete kurigereria chinga kiechiga agendete kweroberia gose abayiburi mogenderete kuba banga bagende ase chiskuru tokora endo motimoko omoke tokwira na Jeremiah engana neregega abayiburi bagusiba manyete ngaonya mwana taragenda university mwana uitasomete rinde okwanira kigoro echikoze chiga cha magoko TVET mbarabiage gaba mwanete kugendorora sengenchi marango konyora bali bakugenda chikosi chimbali yoko bagotebunga bali batari kuigwekirasi bali bagwete na bagatango yiga agwete oyo iganza runi aragende kwira na toro mwancho murigererie erinde tonyare ko batokumurekera engani yu asobwagare tochare
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi
AFC omwancho murigereri niga ruete asensemo ya Bosongo orogongo rwa Afrika agatara agasoa asense ya Kenya agasoa ase county ibere chia gusiki sina Nyamira na nene monese bitunu biri twanchete kurendo mu gusita chete gotegera rororo obero gutara sense nkima na rero tugotore asensemo ya pipeline omwancho murigereri aso mu gusia nyara ko bagasoa na guchaka kwerigeria asenchera ya bene kuiga pipeline omochi o Nairobi nto beto koretera emegano ende yonsi iri okorekana etana ino mugusi na nene monense yonsi ya Kenya eye ne Nsoko TV eri etaliane ni Innocent Onyango.
Eye ne Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi
Nzembro Gomingo Magara Minto mwesmene kitinga simwabeta muganda goregeria Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi Nsoko ya kusamata makano
magega ya televisioni ya Nsoko gwikasero yao kwanyoribaga ligi yaliyokuraria asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeriroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuraria bokwenyuria ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono na bokonyoribaga lya bene liyokuraria asegete senieke asoriguri liyakibusani torikere gose twakeresimi gwitire namba yaito yobonchuria 0788 66 66 62. Eye ne Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi.
Bemono naenda umurigerera bwa Nsoko akeronde no kwegena ni gore meyo murubere chidagika ne 33 igure chinsa isano chabono mambia no kwegena kwane ni gogendrete kubwatia omurubere yiga to kumurekera aria abasaye nabo iga bayibori babonerete kurigereria anene chinga kichiga abana gose bari bakorete form 4 bagendrete go join chi university au nabo igo chi college kato endo mutimo kokonye tora kwanire ayanda mange anene obosemi bwa bayibori nabo igo amagani abana kero konyora ingusana ne kwene kigwa igati yabana nabo igo abayibori tora kwanire yo mancho murigereria asabana togoso asense moyende kero bari bakurire bakurire form 4 abo konyoranga barabuti banyorete chi grade gose chi point chiricho kubaire university nabo igo chi college au imeyense kwanyoranga anene twanjita goteba nguyu nigagwa nakekogera twanyare ko batokumirana na ese mambia bono twene kingango sanga tore nabo igo tunyare ko batokumanya ninga abana abuna kibabonete ko na barabunkerekie kigabara koronye kubwate iborire ndo mwancho murigereri uragani gotobore eneki ngutwakirore ese migwetera se namba ito studio 0788 66 66 63 nabo kurika ujumbe yao gabwire tunyare ko batokujetera nabo igonye kubwate credit nabo gutwakira onye kubwate iborire erinde unyare ko bagukwiranirwa asenchera ya bene kigima. Karibu sana Jeremiah naenda sense miga yo morobere.
Yes. Yeah, now we proceed.
Ngukwanira twarenge kubwatikana na twakonera igabano bakwenda chi university twarakorane na barabu bara abana bararoro barabu batabwatiru bere college batabwatiru bere university barabu mbose mikyora abayibori
Sichinga kiechiga etogotanga mwana tari ogwete no ine grade keri omwana abwate tagweti omwana oyo nabwate kerenga ase obogima bwaye togotebaga nonye Nyasaye nabwate planning ya ase omwana
ekero goteba mwana tagwete omwana naro obwate moibori na bamwemincherete agoteba ng'anga koire skuru emiaka ene egento ekenene kwaretete na edi gose nyomba gaiga
naki nkoteba ng'aki omwana oyo ekero okomorigereria buna omoibori tobasa gokwa omoyo gose tosiria ogosemeria ase omwana oyo boniga ntobwate chikosi chinde yao chigotoka abana aba baranya gokora anene system nere serikali ikoreta ekora turayikira gotokora kwana bali bakorire ndike bakoroka bano na CBC ento kiri omwana atagete gokora igo bona abana aba grade kiri abwate ntobwate technical and vocational training colleges ntobwate vocational training colleges technical gochire chiri Kenya ngima lakini hari nonye nase kenyoro obuya chikole chinchire chirororo chire chikobarani ben no ene county usikogenda nonye gibosongo gali kisi yaito ogenda Nyamira tobwate vocational training colleges igobono muntu ali asorange manyanga ki skuru kirange ogenda obori ngaki njebone gento ntagete gokora neke ese kodigeria tubwate nonye negento bakoroka nonye ni inokora system gose bintu byestima tubwate bintu bakoroka gose bono ne bakoroka right current and heavy current chirere ichi chinde chiokorosi gose ne gisimi ngabona buno moraria isimi yaona bego saleka lakini yakera ukoira muntu ukoirera mutari muntu ujete university ande bari bajete university bakorosi lakini agurende na bakorosi software lakini aba bagokora right repairs barabi
nabaiga bachite vocational training
bachite vocational training igo bono umwana oyo egento nkirara nyara gokora ki tubwate iben gosomera mangana agri business obuncholeria wao igo bono ebintu nebinge omwana oyo aranyare gokora egento ngeringa ki omoibori oikaransense no omwana oyo number 1 omogo semeria eka orumenyete egento kere tokuruka service team yo mwana omwana buya na barengerete ngaki ogosaba kwane nyore grade yekiyangende no ine university lakini rende saguria circumstances chini ande no ino moibori ando mwana na bare goika kwanyorosa eri ku school saguria school fees tachi goeta buna kwarengerereti lakini rende oisa komo ogosemeria na bago come out abo mwana uri cyo kweboria ngaki mwana yone aiga asandusirie ndusiria tambe je nakagere to mwana yo nakoreki nabeiga lakini egento egetanganio koreki omoiboria moe
ogoseme naenda musire
tata bangaki bona nakwirire skuru okagwa yobona ngo koira abuna ndo chuko kabisa
ndokere Jeremia gwakwanire gabo nga vocational training echiga ekero narenge gukina ndeshwa tindi miaka mengera kini mbwate miaka ere mbwate nere yarenge seitugaria bari yani uri ogweta bagotanga ntira ringi gukora ngoiga ntira ringi agenda walikuwa anafanya ng'emitinyi 3 tibaetinga ntira ringi iri akare na rescue togokwanira bagokwana fashion and design sengencho nakioraye kwa
nere yo kogera bararia nesa gulitara ko muganone
asenge bebe kare abantu bachaire chibundi sana oyunte inkiaranyare ntera ringa alafu najua hizo enzi ne machine eri yarenge gutachweri squeeze chiachire mbake chestima
tena sonete no nyene chianga
igono baite kingukwa ego no korete teira
boni gano ngeno ngeyange yo na bongo gosonera so I understand lakini rene bono technology boniga ya change ebintu bono bikonigwa byerigori ine chiange chinabura abakonyoro yo goteba nga iya somete iya nyorete
nero gugo
agosomere yanga
akonerie
eri busarasini ande abantu bali bagosona chianga babweta abantu bachite university igo bono to umuntu to basa gosiereria emirimo y'omuntu
mbiamono mabono naramanyire nga nona ene bundi mbwata enkwana nere bagotanga bundi teyo naende gukwana kimaene tinamanya nga nora sense miyu naboigo abana abayiga chikose nchirororo apart from that nene chikose chichika cha maboko naende ngoski barakore utoratige chicha TVET naende nkibarakore abayiga batanyarete konyogwate ni grade yo kwende university
honye na mangana bono buna banyaruka na bagokora gose beauty endo ise kurige liba ni beauty I know muswati ase nari moko genda ko gwata bangaki ekwerende gwata biguri gori bakakwaburi ngaki ligori eri nabori lego lakini rende muntu tari ko chikonya ko bori ngaki ngai gwasome to gakoraki
ngai gwasometa
lakini ogonyoranga muntu ogotabiri ngaya onye gutagete korosi gwetu kibuya naende ba matuka mange genda asinyagete igo bono kosi terio ratebe ngaki ikosi yete bugati market chikosi ne chinyinge arts and courses inchororo abantu bali no gusambirira ne mirango abantu buna bono ngoja kwagacha bali igo muntu nabako gende kosi agende bune abamura aigerigwe ekurende ya technology because technology ikonya go change lakini ebinte bibago tumia you always need them ne banyomba no ise koligeri nonye to no to karanze buna to karanze studio ga uligerie kurende yo bwate karanze to buyega umuntu ya roseti yakonya ne carpenter na ende go nyora go sino ne welder igo bono bago chabons bara koraki bara gumirana igo ko site yo la koraki go sobone karege tugia sari kirege ge studio ukamurangeri umuntu korate efirigete obumanyiburia bwensemo gete igo bono ekirege ntonke bwate engage yae
bemono akaro kenda ega buno karo kurarigereri magoso kyo konyora abana baba gukora chinga kibago chora chikosi gose chikaria chiri bataite gukora sobugima
egento ke koba gose digoso linene ndiringa peer pressure and lack of guidance egeko gero umwana oyo nabagwenerete aikaranse no muntu osomere to bumanyi obwo koro bogotebya abande naki osomeke nekora chikokora ki
nekora chikokora
ora chikokora abubono no konyora ngaki usekwanyora use no moibodi ayesa gurio manyete nga omwana onenta gitachi gukora white collar job kwa motebya kwa tuare influence ya sare ese kintu kiria tata koreteki atata gete igo bono nonyene kera gosoma na bagota njiri ngosomesa guri mama ante tiko sada ante tingagenda umunye gitari gosendo koleki lakini passion yanja rengororo tigato uyatimono tokonya abana baito gukora what is in their passion what do they like to do yes
asenkwa nayo narori wa kwa murekere sana igoro ya technology na kioro cha morobere yigo technology na AI anyare ko bagego uchencha anga kiga job nini as echire yiga yokorige gasi asabasa
oise korige ya kero montare ko research nabo kwarenge ko gende library kwa ikaransororo chinsa ibere isato inya isano ndi kwaira na mambia okunya kurigia okunya kuringorie gento getekemo tagete komanyanga ki ngaigia takerite lakini boniga obugori no nesime yao na okobori ngaki egento getena kinaki as long as kwaya the right phrasing AI na technology abego kwa the right direction however ebintombire AI na technology itachi konyara ko bateki
is it nini bono totebe buna abande ngote babarenga okoba kwa technology gose AI mostly bagoteba ya gerira abantu abangi gusaba sabange mbago chikonyora gasi although whatever in a positive side watebirega iganga nabo muntu kunye feed information ya kwa instant information ya gotebye kintu kirkwara gocha gukora gose ne weeking makwara kwa ndonye kwigura chi library gose ne project kwa bwate go feed AI ya koire gwa type ri gwa rurororo ya kwa ngoirie gasi asepate eyendere ndabasaye mbarororo bagoteba nga most of the companies squeeze bibangere koreta mpaka chi robot bono there's no need ya human gari kwenda kwake nekyora kwandire kintu neke
human intervention will always be there,
but not very minimal.
Not very minimal, a bit minimal.
Very minimal.
But what is going to happen is, even those robots, when they come, sometimes they will break down. So they will need people to fix them. To fix, they will still have to do. So you, yani ngotanga, oikoli kerelie, ense medio go chukokora. Ngai AI tali go chuko affect mo. Lakini rende naonyene karo chukokole gento, AI we use it on a positive note. Yani yakerota geteo nyene gento korosia na bego kwa guidelines ngaki okole iga na iga you will achieve these results. Lakini there are things which oikabikora bikoreke ekogera sengorosi usene ndaga in a simple thing you will have to get the contents or the ingredients. So in one way or another there is much that people can be able to do. They should not fear that AI and technology is going to replace them.
Bia mono sana Jeremiah karatu kura kwana na ngura ntebyo ri no bwato moroberio bwo gukonya abasaya moroberio yo no rorio yiga na ninki abasaya baba gucha bakora sore na ende ninki baguchi ba benefit.
Normally una organization yeto Gusii United Foundation we mentor young people and we look at different needs na bokonyora gose no mosae atagete gukore gintu gete kya muremire. So we have, through our systems we are able to support them, even selecting some of those colleges that identifying the right college or the right skill or the right thing to do. Yani the tokotabanga koreta obumanyi asa abantu bonsi bagusi. So we look for different places. Ebuna bono there are colleges that we work with that offer different trainings. And some of them we support them even if we are from Nairobi. I told you I have a training school that we teach German language. So through this we even support other schools, not necessarily that you have to come to our college. We support other colleges and even through scholarships. We have a few opportunities that we even fully sponsor those students to learn especially German language, so that by the time they finish a course here, we can also link them to places like to go and work in Germany if based on the course they have done.
Akara gukwanira ga butotebe nga omurigereri nare tukukwanira emambi yabono ore asensemo ya Gusii kero kindu gwatebire nga mubwate college kero mugo sira basaye bari batagete kumanyana tutebe umuntu wege Jurumani anene eganga yabo na bakunyarka bagokora none kigase kikambani cha German people gose bagende chinse cyaroro musaye naro kurigete kuruchinse mo chirisa Gusii ukumetinga nakinda nyore abanta baiga esengecho wakwane kwanyare kwa go commission gabo nga nkufundisha muri nande ngo bakonya bare gokonya muri Knowledge College in case umuntu naro ganeti ko baikera na kiara banyora
nabo monta con akresim go sagende se website yeto ya Gusii United Foundation ogenda online type Gusii United Foundation abo gotonyora ekero gotonyora kinamba cyito nkirororo abo goturikira no email nabo tugukwiraneria egere torore ngaki okugani kwa ongoroki na into to nyale ko bato chuo assist
asana ruwa kwanire kwa bu igoro ye scholarship nganguru morechi scholarship umetekero kwa kwane scholarship abanda bange ngwani bari kumanya scholarship ke mukuru na ambara bya bayiga baguchibanyanyora
students bari batagete gosoma German andi batagete kwenda gukorera German use German language so ntobwate school so lakini onye gutagete gosoma na into nabo go join online tutari go gwakani lakini ndende go ikotoke ngano ruete no tagete gosoma muno uyu nabo to gosoma ose ntobwate partners that we are even working with others agusi ntobwate college yemo alia nsemo ya Nyamira bagosoma German and we give them support. We are also having another one that is coming soon which we will be supporting egere egekorwa nyantenga ki unagusi United Foundation organization ye abiko tago support ya bana lakini kwa nyarango mwana gakare gusi tago cha Nairobi acha komenyororo lakini rende onye kobwate simi buneyega nabo so ekerasi osome ndo kore oenda okora matemwa ase college chire bono muna gote institute go se OST oenda okora certificate yao yere recognized internationally
mbiamono sana asenginchi yebiro enkwana yao ya mwari gucha asomo sayo kurigireti emambi yabano nerere
endo data bya basayen keringa vepukane nechisabu chinyinge echigo chiko chinyinge konyoranga chinde chide chiobosalia lakini rende aligerelinga ki egesero kiao kitogoroka mugusi yago keroka egesero lakini rende certificate umwana achole kosi eriaro chinga ki ekosi neche koreki neche ngonye egerate ki time yae akoreki asome I make sure kolide tuadire certificate yae agenda koreki ekerago cha konyore mirimo ose nabakwelika eko nabo tukwatenga ki abantu bebundise chikosi cha magoko chichirange nase bale bali batanyala bali batachete university lakini ende bali bachete be university na barabu everybody ka koreki akoromokia yani no ene bukwata bunga keri okonyora okore no mukyo
omonene
mukyo obwensi ekina kindanyale ko ba ngotebya abana ba minto abasaye ba minto abana baito egere tojo gutwara usiya mambia igo ande nabo togotiga namba ito umuntu nyagata getogotoikera kagwata libolio abagotobolia abatokumwiranira
sawa inamba ukwata kunyera ne guseneke
namba nabongorwa namba ya negere 0722 60 94 22
irorera nane
0722 60 94 22 lakini tugwate yende na ende nambende
inambe yekerebwa kuningo kunyibu atanaye guseno yobese
yane
mbiamono sana umoncho murigereria uyuni gakuru kwa Jeremiah Nyega uyunyare ko bagagutokonya nabo gunyare ko bagakwerera na kurubo semi gucha ase umustai emambi yabono iga na gwikiraga umoncho murigereria ngwakira ngubakira mwensi mbiamono igati abari banyare ko bagutubwati kurwa so mutandao yekerero nigakuru kwa Tirisa Omboka Tirisa agotebanga umoroberi niganyonyora kuruchinse mcha Mathare Note Kirandi Dennis omosoribo gwesusu atebre nigagendete konyora umoroberi ya senchira yabene umwana Furango kurumagenche nere nigatebire no areme omoroberi nabego Brigadier Anthony Ratemo na Matunda Andrew abagamba libanyara kwa bakurika jujumbe cyabo gwetera senchira yo mutandao na wikiraga bo moncho murigerere nkukuganiryo gendere gutwara oburigerere burubuya nabo ngugwa kirambu ya mono kiandage 10 asogo chora gotegerera na kurigereria Ensoko TV anena somoroberi yo gwetero nande wikekero turachikumira na asembe ebirobine nkuru kwa Linet Nyambana na kuganiryo twara umugasomya.
Eye n'Ensoko TV, Oboroso bw'Umugusi.